So when it comes to a rotation, I always use tracing paper, okay? So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to trace the X and Y axis here about the origin, okay? Only a little bit of it, not the whole thing, okay, there. I'm also going to trace the shape, okay? And be careful that we trace this here properly. Okay, so we've got, and try not to move the tracing paper. There. So now it says, doesn't it, rotate 90 degrees anti-clockwise about the origin. Now 90 degrees is a quarter turn, isn't it? Okay, quarter turn. Anti-clockwise means to go that way, so it's the opposite way the clock hands go. About the origin, okay, so if it's about the origin, that's where I'm going to put my pencil, okay? That's the point I'm going to rotate about. So I'm going to rotate this now a quarter turn. So all you got to do, okay, when I start doing this now, keep your eye on the axes there at the origin, right? So look at the axes that I've drawn, and once it's turned a quarter turn, we could stop. Okay, so we're almost there. Almost there. We're done now. Okay, so we've got our axes back in place, yeah? Okay, so all I've got to do then is plot those points there. Okay, so I lift the paper up so you can see then that's one point. That's the other corner point, and then the other corner point is down here. Okay. Alright, so you lift the tracing paper, plot the corner points, and you've traced the, you can then join those corner points to create your rotated shapes. Let's just double check that. Okay, so go back to the original there. Axis system in place. It's about the origin, which is there. So we turn it around, quarter turn, until that axis is back into a proper axis system again. So it's done a quarter turn, and we're done there, yeah? So we've traced it perfectly. Second part then, it says rotate the triangle through 180 degrees about to the point 10. Now you'll notice here it doesn't say clockwise or anti-clockwise. And the good thing is, it doesn't really matter, because 180 degrees is like half a turn, isn't it? Yeah, because it's double 90 degrees. Double 90 degrees. It's like 2 quarters, isn't it? Quarter turn and a quarter turn, which is a half a turn. And if it's half a turn, it doesn't matter which way you go, okay? It really doesn't. So I'm going to trace the shape here and the axes again, right? So the good thing is about tracing the axes is you've got sort of a reference point then to see that you've turned it half a turn in this case. And it does say about A this time, right? Not about the origin, about A. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put my pencil on A, which is there. Okay, try and get it perfect there, and we're going to turn it half a turn. So watch the axes now, right there. Okay. I could stop there now, it's a quarter turn. So I hope you can see that. Let me go back to the beginning again. So that's where the axis is. The one I've drawn there. Turn it, you could see now it doesn't look like an axis system now. Turn it around, now it looks an axis system. So that's a quarter turn. We've got to do half a turn, remember? So I've got to go again. So wait for the axis to be in place again. There you go, so the axis is in place again. Now we've got our X and our Y axis. So all I've got to do then, lift the tracing paper, and you can get the corner points there. And it's on 2 and 1, isn't it? So join them up, and we've got our rotated rectangle.